Hi, I'm Dominique from Jobber, and I'm here to talk to you about jobs. A job consists of the details of the work, and the visits are essentially the appointments, the dates and times scheduled for the job where you would go to the client's property to do the work. The items you see on the schedule are called visits. A job can have any number of visits. There are two types of jobs in Jobber, one-off and recurring jobs. I'll show you some examples here. Here is a job for furnace repair. We can see the details of the job, and down here we can see the visits. This is a routine job. It should only take 2 hours, so it is a one-off job with one visit. We won't be returning unless another repair is needed, in which case that will be a new job. Here we have a lawn mowing contract job. Just like the one-off job, you can see the details of the work. Because this work will be done every week, it is a recurring job with many visits. It's still one job, a lawn mowing contract, but we will go out and mow the lawn several times. Finally, we have a painting job. It is a big job that will take an entire week to complete, but once it is done, we won't be returning unless they request more work. So we have a one-off job with 5 visits, one for each day. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to check out our Help Center or our other videos.